What is going on, tuners? Welcome back to the garage, and today we're just going to do a real quick short video because I want to talk about two new tools that I've got out on the website. Make sure and go check it out, goatropegarage.com. The first one is something that a lot of you have been asking for a long time, and that is histograms, layouts, scanners, stuff like that. So I have created a file. It's $5 on the website that gets you over 30 pre-set up histograms for AFR and EQ ratio, and covers almost every platform that I could think of from the 3rd gen all the way up to the 5th gen. So you're going to have MAF, airflow, and so on the mass airflow you'll have both EQ and AFR for the 12K and 15K ranges. Volumetric efficiencies, you'll have 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bars of AFR and EQs, pressure ratios across the different default layouts, things like that. It should have about every single airflow tuning histogram that you need all in one package. And to be honest with you, you can build all of these yourselves, but I know some of you just want to be able to grab a package of working histograms. These are all verified to work, and just load them up. The only thing that you'll have to do is possibly add your wideband parameter, because the original layout on this has the AEM wideband parameter on there. If you're not using no AEM through serial, it's not going to work. But once you add your wideband, all of the histograms should populate data. That's the first thing. The second part is the more interesting and exciting part. A lot of you guys have been asking for a place to store tunes. So we now have a tune repository on our website over at goatropegarage.com. Check the link out on top. It will take you right to the repository. You have to agree that you're not going to load these tunes up without, this is for learning only, for sharing information, all that stuff. And I'll tell you, it's not just restricted to HP tuners. If you have other platforms, things like that, you're more than welcome to share those tune files on there, but let's limit it to tunes and logs, please. There is also a suggested naming convention on there to make it easier to find the vehicles that the tunes are based on. Please stick to that naming convention. That way people aren't just dumping in a bunch of files, but you can create your own folders in there. And it's on an honor system, so if people abuse this setup, we'll have to take it away. But for right now, you can go on there, load your tunes, load your logs, load histograms, load parameter lists, layouts, things like that you want to share. So if you're a member of our Facebook community that John takes care of over there, you can use this tool. If you're looking for a way to share tune files to different people on forums and stuff, by all means, go over, use our tune repository. And if you want to contribute to the tune repository, we will take all the tune information that we can. But I know a lot of people have been asking for this for a long time. I wanted to go ahead and get something set up. This is on a trial basis. We'll see how it goes for the next couple weeks. And as long as nobody, we don't have one bad apple spoil the bunch, we should have a nice collection of tunes and logs and things like that. The cool part about it is you can see who uploaded the tune. So if somebody, say Dan Golf, tells you to go check out his tune or his log, you can go in there and find Dan Golf's tunes and logs pretty easily. So go check that out. Short video. I got to get back to hooking up the wiring for our Holley Hi-Ram with our auxiliary fuel stuff here. So just wanted to drop you a note to let you know what was going on over there. You know the drill. Thanks for stopping by the garage. And remember, ABT, always be tuning.